Ready to potentially earn crypto just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth? First, head over to the Grass website, find and click the register button, usually located prominently on the homepage. Keep an eye out. It might be in the top right corner or center of the screen. This will take you to the registration form. Here, you'll need to enter your email address, choose a unique username, and create a strong, secure password. Make sure to use a valid email address as you'll need it for verification. Don't forget to agree the terms and conditions by checking the box. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Grass. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the Verify Email button. This will redirect you to the Grass dashboard, confirming your registration. Now, log in using the username and password you created. Explore the dashboard. You will find information regarding network usage and earning potential. To start earning, you'll need to install the Grass browser extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Grass extension. Click the Add to Chrome button and confirm you want to add the extension. Once installed, you'll see the Grass icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it. Log in with your registration credentials again, and let it run in the background. The extension will automatically share your unused bandwidth, allowing you to accumulate points towards the airdrop. Remember to leave your computer running and the extension enabled to maximize your earnings. Good luck and happy farming!